Imagine changing your financial future in just 5 minutes. Today, we'll reveal a strategy that could earn you $18,300 quickly on Luma Exchange. This method could transform your approach to binary and copy trading. This strategy focuses on a few key elements. First, we target high volatility market sessions. Next, we engage in short-term binary contracts. Finally, we emphasize precise entries to maximize potential gains. Rather than guess where the market is heading, we rely on solid trend confirmation and quick execution. Luma Exchange is an essential tool here. It's a reliable trading platform I've used myself. Its advanced binary and copy trading features cater to both newcomers and seasoned traders. You'll find that it enables swift and accurate executions. This technology helps you stick to structured strategies. One major advantage is the ability to follow top traders. This feature eliminates emotional decisions and builds consistency. By copying proven results, you increase your chances of success. Now let's discuss how traders achieve swift profits. This IQ option strategy hinges on 4 crucial principles. The first is aligning with strong market trends. Next, we focus on short expiration times. Additionally, we utilize copy trading with successful traders. Finally, we manage risk effectively with each trade. By practicing these principles on Luma Exchange, traders turn quick market fluctuations into profitable opportunities. The strategy is straightforward and extremely effective. Looking ahead, binary and copy trading are evolving rapidly. Platforms like Luma Exchange lead this transformation. They blend automation with transparency and smart risk management. This combination creates an optimal trading environment for modern users. If you're interested in adopting this powerful strategy, start trading on Luma Exchange today. Experience firsthand the future of binary and copy trading. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more trading strategies and detailed tutorials to boost your skills.